Well, good morning, YouTube. It's November the 25th. It's like, actually it's the afternoon. It's like probably 1 o'clock. I forgot to check the time. I'm doing a brake maintenance video already. I mean, I just did this a couple weeks ago, but my brakes are kind of worn out already again. So, it looks like it's not that worn out actually, but I don't know. They're just not stopping me very well. I don't know why. So I'm going to adjust them a little bit, flip the bike back over. Because like when I'm parking my bike, they're squeaking. Like when I roll the bike backwards, I'm like confused as to why it seems like they're not stopping me. So, here we go. And I'm just going to have to, I'm going to move the inside pad over like one click. So, I don't think I'm doing this the right way. Top or bottom first? I think I want to do bottom first. I need to loosen the top up though too. Okay. So how's everybody doing out there in YouTube land? I'm doing okay today myself. Why I'm out here doing this right now is because I'm doing okay. You know, not sure why my brakes aren't working that well. There's like, the pad doesn't even look that worn down. This is kind of dirty though. That's weird. This is as far as I'm going to move it. Alright. Actually, I should start with the bottom one on this one because it's easier to get this in here like this. Now the top one. So only drawback to mechanical disc brakes is that they do take a bit more maintenance than hydraulics, but initially when you got to replace the pads on hydraulics, that's when it like becomes difficult, or when you had to bleed the lines or replace the hydraulic fluid. That's when it gets kind of difficult. But mechanical is just you got to do a lot of this cable and pad like adjustment positioning and stuff. You see, now it's like pretty much touching it, so I'm going to adjust the cable a little bit too. Let's do this different. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's what that is. I was like looking at this thing, I couldn't figure out. It's the cotter pin that's holding my brake pads in place. Well, that was kind of loose. I usually tighten that up much more than that. Uh-oh. My butt splice came off. Shit. That's awesome. So I gotta go get one of my splices and crimp that on there now. Shoot. You guys get to learn how to use a crimping tool today, too. It looks like this probably just came off because it's been cold and it shrunk. Alright, let's go get this tool done. When the spider doesn't try to bite me on the set. There's all kinds of spider webs under that stool. Jeez. These are called butt splices. I know it's a funny name. These are what you do when you don't want to solder. Maybe I got one. Maybe one of these blue ones will fit better. I think I'm going to try to put a blue one on there. It's a little narrower. And I like blue. Yellow looks like a banana. I may have to use a big one though, because it's kind of coming apart here. Yeah, I'm going to probably have to use a yellow one. Just trying not to stab my finger with these cables. That's always a fun feeling. Yeah, I'm going to have to use a yellow one. Dang it. Well, it helps if I find my crimping tool first. Well, this was going to be an easy brake repair or maintenance. Oh well, shit happens. Okay. It's way down in there. Probably on the bottom. I never hardly ever use it. Hope it's in here. Oh, looks like I gotta pull some stuff out of the bag. Darn it. Like I said, I really need a better system of tool storage. This is kind of bad. Oh, there it is. I found it. And this is a crimping tool. It's got a cutter, a stripper, and then the crimping sizes right there. And a wire gauge measurement tool. Actually, no, that's also, that might be, no, that's just, yeah, that's just the gauge. Okay. Alright, well. Okay, this might be a problem. Gotta see how this is twisted together. Shoot. Oh, there we go. I got it in there. I need to clamp the shit out of this thing. Nope, that didn't work. Let's try the other side of it. Usually just works perfectly fine. And it's probably going to come off again. Yep, dang it, I don't know what's going on. Shoot. That's not good. This hasn't happened before. I'm having butt splice performance issues. Damn it, see, I just poked my finger. Try clamping it down at 2 different spots. Maybe that'll help. There, and then over here. That's a lot better. I just needed to clamp it at 2 different spots. Okay, cool. Make sure this is tightened all the way up. Yeah, that's better. Alright, now to the front wheel. Pretty sure I have to do it too today. The inside pad on this front brake seems to be like right up against the disc, so it's just got to be an outside adjustment I got to do. That's an easy one. The plan is to get this done and go back in and kick back for a little while and maybe do some video editing I'm behind on and then go for a ride later. It's a nice day today. It's kind of gloomy, but it's nice and not cold and not hot. It's like perfect out here. Good bike riding weather. I kind of struggled with this last time because the cable's kind of bent on this one. So I don't struggle with it again. Shoot. That's probably about as good as I'm going to get it. It's rubbing a little bit, but that's alright. That was interesting. If something didn't break just now. Alright. Oh no, that's not stomping very good. Alright, well, I guess I'm done. Oh, you guys didn't even see what I did. Dang, I forgot to tilt the camera back up. I just was working on this brake. Sorry, I forgot the camera angle. I didn't do much. I just loosened the cable and pulled it up a little bit and then tightened it back up, so not a big deal. Well, anyways, that was that. I've got my camera on, so if you start having a conversation with me, I'm just letting you know it's going to be on YouTube. Just cleanup process. Well, I've only got one more broken. I've only got the one broken spoke in my rear wheel. I didn't break any more spokes. It's been like over a week since I fixed my spokes. I'm still talking to the camera, just letting you know. Mom's feeding some of the stray cats out here. So did Charlie take the cats? Oh. Okay. Fun part's flipping this dang bike back over. That's not exaggerated grunting. It's actually difficult to flip this bike over. Okay. Okay. Well, that was that brake maintenance video. So remember to have a wonderful whatever wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next e-bike video. Okay, bye.